Hi Kipsters, I'm going to show you how to log into your Lexia using your Google Classroom account. So when you get to your Google Classroom, you should come to the Stream page. Next, you're going to click the Classwork tab. When you come to the Classwork tab, you're going to the topic side and you're clicking Reading, the reading topic. Once you get to the reading topic, you are going to find a post that says Lexia username and link. You are going to click it. Once it takes you there, when you click the PDF version right here, this will give you all of the usernames and passwords. So you want to look for your username, you want to look for your password, and remember it. Okay? Then you're going to click Lexia Core 5 tab right here. And it's going to take you to Lexia. There, it will ask for your student email, student username, and your student password. Your username and password will be put in here. Once you have it. If for whatever reason it asks you for your teacher's email, my email is once again located right here. Okay? So make sure you grab your username and password here. If it asks for my email, it's right here, and you can just go to the other link right here. So that is how you log in to your Lexia account.